Are you looking to learn where to get needle felting tools and supplies? If so, then you're on the right video, because today I'm going to share with you where I get mine. Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video, where to get needle felting tools and supplies. My name is Iceland, and on this channel, Snowflake Forest Felting, I share needle felting videos, have needle felting tutorials, and share product reviews from time to time. So if you're new and this interests you, please consider subscribing. And if you want to know more about anything you see here on this channel, be sure and check the links down in the description below this video, or leave a comment. I'd love to connect with you there. So today, I'm going to share with you my favorite place to get needle felting tools and supplies. And if you've been watching, then you probably know this one, Clover USA. It's where I get my needle felting needles. I love the little packaging that they come in, these perfect little hard cases to store them in. They have multiple needle options. They're color coded, the cases are color coded, and this needle right here is what I got started felting with. Clover USA also offers all of your needle felting needs. And I'm not just saying that because I've teamed up with them in the past. I truly am saying that because it is a really great place to get started if you're thinking about needle felting. Number 2 is Amazon. I love to get my supplies through Amazon. It's super simple. I'm already ordering other stuff and it all just shows up at once. And it's so nice, especially if you have Amazon Prime. You don't have to pay for shipping then. And you will find some of Clover USA's items on Amazon as well. Another great thing you can find on Amazon is needle felting kits. I do not offer one yet, and I've been thinking about it, so drop me a comment below. Let me know if there's one you'd like to see me make. I'd love to create a kit for you guys. But there are countless kits available online. I honestly have never even tried a kit. I've always wanted to order them, but I have a countless ideas of things that I plan to create. And so when I think I finally get bored with that list, maybe then I'll move on to some kits. But for someone as a beginner, I highly recommend it. When I got started, I basically got started with my own little make your kit. There was a store in Portland, they were open, and I was able to walk in, get the foam piece, get a few needles, and get some colors of wool. The third place I love to shop for needle felting stuff is Etsy. They have so many great wool options and colors online. You can find little shops that even offer not just wool, but acrylic fibers and mixed blends as well that can really allow you to customize your creations and hone in a specific color than you might find online that just offer general colors. And that's it. Those are my 3 favorite places to find needle felting tools and supplies online. And if you're thinking about getting into needle felting, give it a try. It's super soothing and fun. It creates patience and focus, and it's really great brain stimulation for you, especially when we need positive things to be doing and you can create things with love for others. And remember, if you're recreating anyone's piece, please be sure and give them credit online. We have an incredible community of creators, and in my next video I'll be sharing some of my favorites with you. I hope this video helped you and you learned something new. If you did, please be sure and give it a thumbs up. As with all my videos, please share them if you think it can help someone else too. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Happy felting! Bye!